Hello, friends. We have been discussing about the questions and answers for the previous year public administration paper. As part of that, let us discuss one more question today. The question that was asked in 2021 relating to Simon's decision-making theory. The question is, two-dimensional taxonomy was used by Herbert Simon to describe the degree to which decisions are programmed or non-programmed. Explain. So this is a question. Let me repeat the question. Two-dimensional taxonomy was used by Herbert Simon to describe the degree to which the decisions are programmed or non-programmed. Explain. This is the question that was asked in the mains 2021. Let us try to find out what would be the answer for this question. Now the keyword in the question is to explain. As the first step, we have to identify the keyword. First keyword would represent or would tell you what you have to do. Here you have to explain, and explain what? You have to explain that Simon used two-dimensional taxonomy to describe the degree to which the decisions were programmed or not programmed. Okay, what do you mean by this? What is this question demanding? The question demands you to explain how Simon used the two-dimensional taxonomy of programmed and non-programmed decisions. So generally, we all know that decision-making process involves identification of the problems, then searching for alternatives, evaluating the alternatives, then make a choice. Intelligence, design, and choice. Now, you don't have to so in this answer, you don't have to fully explain what the decision-making process is all about. You can just in one sentence, you can say that Simon's decision-making process involves the complex or a composite process of intelligence, design, and choice activities. And the first stage or first step in the decision-making is problem identification and finding out the solutions. The most important thing what you are supposed to, or what you have to understand here is, the two-dimensional taxonomy involves problem identification, that is determination of problem, identifying and understanding of the problem, and finding a solution to the problem, that is it. Now, when it comes to the two-dimensional taxonomy, you can understand that the problems, Simon uses programmed and non-programmed, two dimensions of the decision-making process. Here, you can apply programmed decisions and non-programmed decisions. These are two types, as Simon goes. Here, let me share my screen so as to, let me show you a table so as to make you understand, something that is important for our answering, basically. See, if you look at this table, see, the problems can also be programmed. That is, the problem can be a routine problem, or a problem can be a new problem. So you have to identify that first of all. Same way, the solution can be routine or programmed solution as well as non-programmed solution. For example, if a problem arises at the day-to-day level, right? If a problem arises at the day-to-day level, then it would be a programmed problem, a problem of routine nature. For the problem of routine nature, the solution, the decision can also be a programmed decision, which should be a standard operating procedure. At times, a routine problem might require non-programmed or a novel or a new decision or a new solution. For instance, if the problem is more relating to certain quality aspects, if the problem is related, it will be a routine matter. For instance, you're talking about the routine aspects of something. You can have a standard operating procedure, refer to the SOPs, refer to the rule books, program a routine problem, routine solution is already fixed, you go ahead. Sometimes it would be a routine problem, but you might have to think and bring about new solution. See, in due course of time, the new solution, what you find, may also become a routine solution. That is, it may also enter into the books of SOP. So that's the way Simon is defining. And accordingly, similarly, a program can be, I mean, a problem can also be a non-programmed problem or a non-routine problem. For example, something relating to budgeting, something relating to quality control could be a non-programmed problem or a non-programmed decisional situation. It's a non-routine. For a non-routine problem also, there can be a solution, that is, or you can find out a solution from the standard operating procedures, right? For example, in respect of inventory control in any organization, the problem may be a newer one, but how to go about doing it, how to resolving the problem, there can be SOP which you can refer to. Not all non-programmed decision situations would require non-programmed or novel or new solutions around. Sometimes the SOPs can also give solutions to non-programmed decisions as well. So this is how Simon explains, and this is a way Simon is trying to relate cost efficiency and time efficiency when it comes to administrative efficiency, isn't it? So this is the way you have to explain. This is the core aspects and core elements that you have to include in your answer. And more questions and more answers we shall discuss in future. Wish you very all the best, and we shall continue to discuss other questions in due course of time. Wish you all the best and thank you.